Hey guys, Ryan here. Thank you for joining me for another video. Today, I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I'm going to show you how to upload your first Amazon merch product. Now, if you've been following along with the tutorial, you'll notice that I jumped a step, but I'm doing that intentionally. A whole nother wave of applicants was recently accepted either last night or this morning, but I know I saw a bunch of you guys in my Amazon merch Facebook group, link in the description by the way, and the new applicants, the most common problem they have is they want to know how they can upload their first t-shirt. And the UI, it used to be simpler for sure. And Merch optimized the UI for seasoned sellers, which eventually even new sellers become seasoned sellers, so it makes sense. But in doing so, they kind of left the new sellers to the platform in the dust because they don't really give you the help you need to understand how to upload and create your first shirt, your first product. So what I'm going to do in this video is walk you through that step by step. Yes, publishing right now in the United States is disabled, all right? I'm recording this video in mid-June of 2020. So if you're watching it in the future, hopefully it's resumed. But other than publishing being disabled in the United States, everything's working in Germany and the United Kingdom. Plus they just expanded what products were available on those international marketplaces. So guys, I'm gonna go jump on my computer and we'll get started. All right, let's jump into it. I'm gonna count this as a part of my Amazon merch mini-series, even though it kind of came out of order, but I know a lot of you guys are struggling with how to create that first listing. Real quick before we start, I'm Ryan Hogue. I've sold over $1.6 million on Amazon, including I'm in Amazon merch tier 20,000. I have a free 7-day merch mini course that'll really help you get started as well. There's links in the description to that, as well as a link to my Amazon merch Facebook community. I'd love to have you there. And just letting you know, I publish passive income reports on the first or second day of each month if you want to follow my journey as an Amazon merch seller, all the way back to when I was in tier 10, by the way. Last but not least, I wrote a full Amazon merch course, almost 60 lessons. It is everything you need to know to succeed on the platform, drawing from my over 3 years of experience. If you'd like to hit the fast forward button, check that out. All right, now that we got that out of the way, it's demo time. This is what my dashboard looks like when I log into Amazon merch. You can go grab the free Pretty Merch Chrome extension and it will transform the ugly Amazon merch default dashboard into a very pretty merch dashboard. So just wanted to let you know, if you're new to the platform, that's the first thing I'd do. Then you can either click create on the tab up top, or you can click the little plus sign and just click +1. And now this is how we create products on Amazon merch. Now, the first thing I want to point out to you is it says publishing is disabled for certain products. Click select products to view publishing status. Designs created for disabled products are saved as drafts. When publishing resumes, you'll need to review and submit your drafts. All right, so I mentioned that publishing altogether in the United States is halted. All right, so what we're going to need to do is click this select products button up here, and then I'm going to go ahead and click select all, deselect all twice so that every checkbox is unchecked. All right, now I'm going to ignore the .com column because we can't publish to .com. That's the US market. We have choices though. We can publish to .co.uk or .de. So the German market is the next biggest market. So I'm going to say we go ahead and publish a t-shirt to the German market. So I'm going to publish a standard t-shirt to .de. Now, one thing to note, we can only publish, if you're in tier 10, if you were recently accepted, you can only publish one product at a time, one per day, until you have a maximum of 10 products online. So just remember, you can't check 2 boxes because then you're publishing 2 per day, and that's not allowed. So 1 per day. All right, then I hit continue. Next up, load in your artwork. So I'm going to click into here, and I've already got some demo designs prepared. I'm just going to go ahead and select one of them. I think that design said, hello, my name is Aaron. It's like a little name tag sticker shirt, except that it's not a sticker. It's just on the shirt as the design. All right, so we see it mocked it up on all the products where that design size, which by the way, I guess I skipped over that. The design size you're going to want to use is 4,500 pixels wide by 5,400 pixels tall. There's a website called Photopea.com. You can use this. It's basically a web browser based clone of Photoshop. You can go up here to like file new, and you can say width 4,500, height 5,400, and click create. And there's your canvas, and you can just use the text tool and create a quick design if you need to. But after that, guys, You would upload it here. You'll notice it gets mocked up on all the products, but again, only one product at a time if you're in tier 10. So now that we got that detail hammered, I'm going to click edit detail. Now, the youth checkbox will make it available in youth sizes. One thing to note, and this is going to be the next video in the merch series, there is a strict youth content policy. So the content policy, if you're going to offer the design in youth size, is stricter, as it probably should be. So if I check this, that means that nothing about this design violates that youth content policy, which I'm going to go over in the next installment of the series. So if you're not subscribed and you're looking to get into merch and you just want to do some research, or you're already in merch and you don't know this, hit the subscribe button, and then we're going to work through this together in the future. All right, now you can select up to 10 colors. So do whatever you think looks best. I think they've said that the darker colored shirts tend to sell better than the lighter colored shirts in the resources. But all right, next thing. If you're in tier 10, you don't want to be in tier 10 anymore, because having 10 upload slots is not a good thing. That's nothing. I mean, I have 20,000 upload slots. So how do I go from 10 upload slots to 20,000? Well, you have to get sales. What's a good way of enticing customers to buy your product? I have an idea. Watch this. Let's key in the lowest price possible to incentivize customers. So 1330 euro gives us a 0.00 estimated royalty, meaning that's the lowest price possible we can list this for, which gives customers the best deal possible. If you're in tier 10, delay profitability, give customers a reason to purchase from you instead of from other people. Give them the best deal possible, lowest price possible. If you're uploading to Germany, it's 13.3 euro. If you upload to the UK or the US, the base cost varies per marketplace. So remember that. All right, now we can scroll past this, and here we are. First thing I'd like to point out, add all product details in each marketplace's language. So normally how this tool works, this tool, we upload one design, and we're typically able to take one design, push it to as many products and product types and marketplaces as we want to. So if you do more than just the German market, you'll have a little tab, and it'll let you write in English and then let you write in German. So you can optimize it for each marketplace. But since we're just doing for the German market, we should be able to just key it in. So I'm just going to say, hello, my name is Aaron, name tag. All right, and I'll put that in the title, the brand, and the bullet. And if you want to, I mean, again, we are selling this on the German market, but keep in mind, it's written in English. So you have to use your discretion to say, well, should I translate it into German or should I keep it in English? If the design is in English, probably keep it in English. But here's what else you can do. English to German. You just Google it, right? So many questions that people ask me during the day. By the way, I love it. I love that you guys comment. I love that you message me on Facebook and ask me these questions. But like sometimes I literally just tab to Google, search your question, take the first link, and send it back. Just saying, sometimes it's that simple. A lot of times it's that simple. All right, now all I did was English to German, type that into Google, and then I copy pasted the design title that I typed in, and here we go. It translates it. I'm going to copy it. We'll jump back over here, and I'll just put that in feature bullet 2 because that will get indexed in search results. All right, now product availability on Amazon, non-searchable or searchable? If we're trying to sell products, I have an idea. Let's do searchable, which is the default. No problem there. And then it says, last but not least, by submitting for production, you acknowledge you have the necessary rights to the original artwork, brand name, product title, key product features, and product description. AKA, don't write in Star Wars. Don't write in Avengers. Don't write in any trademarked phrase. This is an imperfect system. You will probably at least once get a rejection. It won't say why, and it may be something as simple as a trademarked word in your bullets. So just so you know, this system is imperfect, as I said. Over time, you'll get used to how it works. But also, if you infringe on if you blatantly infringe on a trademark, like you upload a Star Wars design or something in tier 10, you'll probably just get instantly kicked off the platform permanently. So heed my warning, play it safe, keep it simple. There's still a lot of money to be made without infringing on other people's intellectual property. Anyways, that's it. All you have to do, guys, is hit publish. When you do this, you'll get one last chance to confirm your products. You're submitting a design to the following products. Standard t-shirt. These products
will be published as searchable. All customers will be able to search and find these products on Amazon. You'll not be able to edit these products until they're finished processing. So as soon as you click publish, which I'm not going to do because as soon as I do that, you'll be able to see a bunch of designs that are published under my account. So in order to keep those safe, I'm not going to do that. But just so you know, when you hit publish, there's going to be a little bit of a delay where it's processing your new upload, your new product. The listing will not be created instantly and it will not instantly be live, but it typically won't take more than like a day max. I don't know if in tier 10 you might get all your designs manually reviewed or at least scrutinized to a little bit of a higher degree than normal, than if like me in tier 20,000 were to upload. That being said, give it 24 hours. When it moves to live, you'll see it on the Pretty Merch dashboard, by the way. So you can see right here, if I zoom in even more, on the left-hand side of my screen where it says live products, you'll see 0 initially. When that's live, you'll see 1. Also, you also have up here next to my little unicorn, you see where it says PS? So when you initially publish the product, you might see a number 1 in under review. Then that should shift from under review to processing. Where you get in trouble is if it stays in under review. If that happens, then you may have triggered something with their algorithm where it's not sure if you did something against the content policy or something along those lines. And ultimately, if it stays in under review and someone reviews it and says, nope, this isn't allowed, it'll show up in the rejected column. Otherwise, if you see it in PS for processing, it's just a matter of time before it goes live. Unless, just real quick, just saying, I know I said this was going to be a short video. I keep dragging it out. I'm just trying to be helpful. Sometimes they get stuck in processing, all right? As you're seeing here, whatever this is that's in processing right now in my account has been there for, I don't even know how long, weeks, if not months. It is what it is. My recommendation is don't bug the merch admins because they are a small team. They've got better things to do than try to fix your issue. And I don't even know if they can fix it. It's not like there's some magical like cranks that they're operating, like I picture like a crane operator with all these levers to pull. Like, you know what I mean? These people don't necessarily have the ability to go into the massive database and switch the status from processing to live. They follow a normal workflow, I'm sure. I don't work for merch. I'm just, I've worked in the IT industry for like 9 years before I got to quit my job thanks to things like Amazon merch. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you out at all I'm asking is hit the like button and consider subscribing. Like I said, we're going to continue the Amazon merch mini-series. I'm going to be helping you succeed as a merch seller and just learn the ropes. We're going to go over the content policy in the next installment of that mini-series. So if you want to be alerted, hit the subscribe button, then hit the little bell icon that pops up next to it, and Google/YouTube will let you know when I drop that video. Thank you guys. I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.